Hello students, in this video we are going to study some important MCQs on P block elements, group number 13 and 14, that is boron family and carbon family. So let us start the first question. Read the question carefully, read all the options and select the correct answer. Orthoboric acid on strong heating to red hot gives. Read all the options, select correct answer. Check your answer. Boron trioxide is the correct answer. So S3BO3, that is orthoboric acid, on strong heating gives metaboric acid, which on further heating gives boric oxide. This is also known as boron trioxide or boric anhydride. Come to the next question. The most basic oxide is B2O3, Ga2O3, Tl2O3 and Al2O3. Remember, these are trioxides and these trioxides belong to the group number 13. That is boron family. Select the correct answer. Tl2O3 is the most basic oxide. So here B2O3 is acidic, Al2O3 is amphoteric, Ga2O3 is amphoteric, iron 2O3 is basic and Tl2O3 is basic. Third question, when formic acid is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, the gas evolved is carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen or sulfur dioxide. Select the correct answer. Carbon monoxide is the correct answer. The hint is given at the bottom. When formic acid is heated, dehydration takes place and carbon monoxide gas is liberated. Fourth question, the basic structural unit of silicates is. Here the answer is directly displayed. SiO4 minus 4 ion is the basic unit present in all silicates. The hint is given. SiO4 minus 4 ion, known as silicate ion, is the basic unit present in all silicates. Fifth question, B3 plus ion cannot exist in aqueous solution because of its strong reducing ability, strong oxidizing ability, small size and large charge, large size and small charge. Select the correct answer. The answer is third option, small size and large charge. Due to small size and large charge, B3 plus ion cannot exist in aqueous solution. Sixth question, borax is prepared by treating colemanite with NaNO3, NaCl, Na2CO3, NaHCO3. Check the correct answer, Na2CO3. So here colemanite having formula Ca2B6O11 when treated with sodium carbonate, borax is produced. Next question, which one of the following element is unable to form M6 3- ion? Options are gallium, aluminium, boron and indium. Select the correct answer. Here boron is the answer. Third option is the correct option. The reason or hint is given at the bottom. Boron does not have vacant d orbital in its valence shell, so it cannot extend its covalence beyond 4. Eighth question, boric acid is an acid because its molecule. Read all the options carefully. Select the correct option. The answer is third option. Accept OH- ion from water, releasing proton. The hint is given at the bottom. Boric acid behaves as Levy's acid by accepting a pair of electrons from OH- ion of water, thereby releasing a proton. Boric acid accepts OH- ion of water and releases proton. Ninth question, the stability of +1 oxidation state among aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium increases in the sequence. Read the options carefully. Choose the correct option. Option 1 is the correct option. These are the elements belonging to boron family. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. The elements of this group show +1 and +3 oxidation state. The stability of +3 oxidation state decreases from top to bottom, and stability of +3 oxidation state decreases and +1 oxidation state increases due to inert pair effect. The hint is given at the bottom. Next question. Question number 10. Which of the following structure is similar to graphite? Select the correct answer. Boron nitride is known as inorganic graphite and has structure similar to graphite. The structure of boron nitride is like this. This is the structure of boron nitride. Question number 11. Which of the following compound has a 3-center bond? Diborane, carbon dioxide, boron trifluoride and ammonia. Select the correct answer. Diborane. Here is 3-center bond, boron, hydrogen and boron, boron, hydrogen and boron. This bond is called 3-center bond and it is present in diborane. Next option. Which of the following statements about orthoboric acid is not correct? Read all the options carefully and then select the correct answer. So I give you time to read the question. You have to choose incorrect option. Look at the answer. It is a strong tribasic acid. This option is completely wrong. The first three options are correct. So fourth option is incorrect. Question number 13. The structure of diborane contains. Once again, the question on diborane. Read all the options. Select the correct option. First option is the correct. 4. 2 center 2 electron bonds and 2 3 center 2 electron bonds. This BH bond is terminal bond. This BH bond is terminal. This is BH bond. This is BH bond. These are 4 terminal bonds known as 2 center 2 electron bond. This boron, hydrogen, boron. Similarly, boron, hydrogen and boron, these are 3 center 2 electron bonds. So, option 1 is the correct option. Next, question number 14. Simple question. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium, boron, indium and gallium. So select the correct answer. Aluminium is the correct answer. Bauxite is Al2O3 twice H2O. Question number 15. In Buckminster fullerene or in Buckminster fullerene, each carbon atom is sp hybridized, sp2 hybridized, sp3 hybridized, dsp2 hybridized. Select the correct answer, sp2 hybridized. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Thank you so much.